We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up all our friends, fill up the car till it bends.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my studio. I'm so glad you're here. I really appreciate that people come and watch my videos. It just means the world to me. So thank you so much for being here. Today we're going to do something I haven't done in a while. We're going to do a blowout. This is a Starburst pour. I've done them on larger canvases. Haven't tried it on a smaller one, but hey, let's give it a go. So hang in there and let's go down to the canvas. Okay, I am working on a 12 by 12 level 2 canvas from Artist Loft that has been taped and push panned and water sprayed on the back so it's nice and tight. Let's go through the colors for today. I'm thinking sort of a fire blowout, so we're going to start in the red family. We've got the Alizaran Crimson. That's a really pretty one. It's going to dry darker than it's showing here. These are all mixed very thin. This is, of course, my favorite Bordeaux Red. So I'll get some of that all mixed up thin. This is some leftover US Art Supply Interference Red. So it doesn't look red now, but if you look at that stick, you might see that red shimmer on there. This is Amsterdam Azo Orange. We have Liquitex Basics in Cadmium Red Light. So that is a reddish orange. This is some leftover Arteza Electric Yellow. I have some Amsterdam Naples Yellow Deep. There's another shade of yellow. Of course, there's some 24 karat gold. And then I'm going to throw in some cell activator. This is, if I remember correctly, this is Arteza Mars Black plus Australian Floetrol. I just want to see what that's going to do. I wanted a little bit of black, but I figured I'd make it CA instead of regular. Everything except the CA is mixed with mixed pour and then water to consistency. If you'd like some mixed pour, please contact Krista at krista8974@gmail.com to get some mixed pour. This is my first time using mix for a blowout. We're going to give it a shot. Have some fun. All right, now for the type of pour I'm going to do, you don't put a base coat down. You're going to literally cover the board in your paints and then blow. So we're going to start in the center. I want to put a little puddle of gold in my very center. And what you do is you work your way out from your center by just putting down your paint. I'm using the stick because I'm afraid if I try and pour, I'll get too much. We're just going to work our way outwards with our colors.
By some
Now you'll notice I'm butting up all the colors right against each other. You don't want dry spots because that'll interfere with the blow. You're definitely not in the middle here. That's okay. It can be a little off center. I'm going to bring these colors all the way out to the edge. Like I said, I didn't quite hit the center here, so I think I started in the center and I got wonky as I went. Which will be fine as long as I blow it from the center of the paint and just let it be what it is. That's looking good. Everybody a little wet here. Alright, I think we got way more than enough paint here. So just get everybody. I might have a wee bit more of this interference. Let's just throw a little of that here and there. right. And now we're going to use that CA. I'm going to put a little bit in the center, not a lot. And I'm just going to drizzle some here and there around. Didn't need to make a big splotch, but okay. Just to add to the fun. See what happens. Who knows? All right, let me move some of this stuff out of the way, or else I'll be blowing stuff over. Don't want to be blowing stuff all over the house. All right. Actually, I think that's a little close to the edge here. Hold on. I'm going to move you and put painting that way just a bit. There we go. All right, it's going to get noisy, folks. I'm going to turn on the hairdryer and blow this out. Well, that's pretty, all that lacing, but this is sort of yuck here. Let's see what I can do with that. Hold on. Oh, that's getting better. Okay, much happier now. That's pretty cool. Just picking on a few spots now. All right, that's looking cool. Let me torch that. And then I'm going to do my edges and clean the bottom of the canvas if there's anything to clean. The nice thing about blowouts is there's usually not. And I'll bring in for a flyover. Hold on. Okay, I've cleaned up my corners and edges. Look at this. It turned out pretty cool. Look at this corner over here. That's cool. This corner is amazing. Look at the little, I don't know if you can see them, but the little cells and stuff. And this lacing here in the middle, or semi-middle, from the CA. Gives the whole thing a very floral look. So I'm loving it. Okay, we're gonna let this dry and we'll see how it does. Okay, we have the dried results. I did have a little bit of an incident. You'll notice that it's swishing over to the left a little bit here. I did not level this canvas. Bad me. So I did lose a little bit before I realized what was happening. But I think it actually adds to the painting, so I'm not that upset. Look at the cells here. This is so cool. And then the movement of the blowout out on the edges. Giant flower. Gorgeous. I'm not at all mad that it was off center because I think it really added to the composition. love the blending and the lines in here. It's just fabulous. Look at it here. So gorgeous. All right, that is that one. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell for more videos. Thank you so much for supporting my art. I'm currently uploading videos every Monday and Friday, so I hope to see you there. Have a wonderful day.